Shush. Do you want to hear a secret? Do you want to hear something that's interesting that people aren't talking about, but they really need to? You want to know what Johnny Depp and Princess Diana and Angelina Jolie and comedian Daryl Hammond and Demi Lovato, the pop star, and Brian Cuban all have in common? It's not something that we like to talk about. It's sort of taboo. But the reality is, in all seriousness, is that you have 1 year. That's 1 year by some research to identify this behavior before the first suicide attempt. See, on October 7th, Brian Cuban and I are going to be presenting a talk on non-suicidal self-injury. And it's going to be a personal experience as he tells his tale. And then it'll be also the educational part that I will do. It's about a 2.5-hour event. And we really want not just counselors, but we want family members. We want parents and aunts and uncles and grandparents and even older siblings and youth ministers, nurses, teachers, anyone that wants to stop this really dangerous, unhealthy trend in America that's affecting 20 to 30% of our U.S. population as a lifetime risk. So, yeah, non-suicidal self-injury is pretty serious, and a lot of times it's not quite what you think it is. Now, for those that are mental health professionals, continuing education units will be provided by La Hacienda Treatment Centers, and the food, the snacks, are going to be provided by Mindex.today, which is a great referral source for counselors. So the registration is on Eventbrite now. As of last night, it is up, and gotta tell you, there's a limited number of seats. There's even reserved seating, so you can be up closer to hear Brian's story and to be able to ask questions. So October 7th is the date, Saturday, October 7th. We are doing the When Self-Injury Becomes Personal, creating understanding and healing. So October 7th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in the South Lake area. And tickets are now available on eventbrite.com, and you can just look for When Self-Injury Becomes Personal. Brian and I will look forward to having you there. We will love to answer your questions. And after the event, each of us will be doing book signings. He for his 2 books that he's written, and for myself for the 2 books that I've written on the topic of self-harm. So please sign up, get your tickets now, and invite as many people as you can so we can put a stop to this behavior, because it's treatable. There is help and there is hope. So see you on October the 7th.